Today we are going to be discussing about the point of sale system, which is a very most demanding of the software in the market. Everybody want to use it, and everybody is looking for a free solution or paid lifetime solution. So today we are going to be discussing about the software which is available at free, and you can use it unlimited time. And we already has made this video in different language, but most of the people are requesting the video is in the English language. So we are going to be discussing the Aronium point of sale. First, you need to be download the Aronium. This software in the video description. You can find the link, and then you can find the detail about the how to download it to set up in your application, and then run it accordingly. It will ask you for the username, default username, and you create the password, and then finally you have to log in through the system. The beauty of this system, if you do not have mouse or you want to use it as a keyboard, so you can use it through the keyboard section. So the keyboard basically F10, F9, and there are a lot of the features are available for F3, F4. So this is how you can manage this software. In this video, in this software, we have a different type of things, like the barcode reading, barcode printing, scanning, and all things, and passwords, security. Everything is included in this software. uh, Take a look at that, the feature and the color theme. Of course, we will be discussing about all points. Okay, so click on three dots, and then you would have management, view sale history, cash in, cash out, user information, sign out, and feedback section. So in the management section, basically admin section, uh, go to the management section, and then management section you would have different type of the links, like the dashboard. So you can see the dashboard sale according to the month wise, and total sales summary, total products, hourly sales, and basic of the dashboard is available. And on the left side we have document, products, stocks, reporting, customers and supplier, promotion action, user security, payment types, countries, tax rate, and my company. My company is basically the name of the company, what is your business and what is your business name. And normally this name will be displayed into your invoices, so you can use the proper name with the address, with the city, zip code, phone number, and etc. And bank account detail and the logo. You can display your logo into the different type of the printing. So this application will support the thermal printing, which is the small is print script, and allow the normal of the printing, and we have different type of the format like the PDF format and Excel format. And there is another option, which is reset database. Mostly after completion of year or 2 year, we do not require the historical data, so we can be able to save the data accordingly in different the file, and then clear the reset the database accordingly. So this system will clean the previous of the data, and then will be definitely will be available for the new data. So you can do that by through the admin username, password. Okay, so this is also available. Tax rate. The tax rate is basically a default tax rate. For example, if you want to add the tax rate according to the government tax, or whatever the tax, and you want to apply to all of your products, so you can be able to create the default taxes are over there, either the sale tax, or the other government tax, or GDP, or whatever the tax you wanted. So you can be able to set up accordingly. So once you create the product, it will ask you to add the particular the type of the text, so you can be able to set accordingly. So I have added only one. In the country of the section, we would have different type of the companies. Okay, the payment types, they are already being set up for the payment type, the cash, credit card, debit information. So it will not be charged for the debit card or credit card. So it just give you an option what the method you have used for payment. So if you have another other option, you can add the new payment, or you want to remove it. So at per your requirement. The user and security section, in this section we would have only one of the user and different of the access level. So you can create your own user label, whatever the user is this, and whatever the access you want to use it. So in the security section there are the numbers, the management section. The management has different kind of settings, and all set of access, different type of the access are available. So these are basic their options, and you can use it accordingly for the security point of view. So this is the admin user. So admin user access level is 9, so you can use it 9. Okay, and the promotion and action is basically give you, for example, sometime the sometime Christmas period, or Eid period, or any other of the period where you want to give the special discount for the special time. So you can set accordingly. So it will ask you the date, start date, end date, and whatever the discount you want to give it, you can set it accordingly. So I have added the discount for the 5%, and different we have different types of products, so you can use the all products, or whatever the products you want to use it. Or either you can set the quantity condition. For example, if someone is purchased 10 quantity within that of the period, so you can apply the 5% discount, otherwise no. So you can set the quantity condition, and it will ask you the quantity on about date. So if you set to false, then definitely it will not check the quantity wise. It will just check the duration for 15 December to 5 January. So if it is in this of the product period, the product is being purchased, then definitely 5% discount, extra discount, will be added to your purchases. So this is a very good feature, and you can be able to set accordingly to the days. For example, the all date is set, but you can set accordingly which date you want to use for this or the period. So this is also the provision. So and whatever the product you wanted, so every product is displayed over there, so you can use it accordingly to your need. So and then we have document section, products. Let me go to the product section, and this is the product section, and these are the product groups. We have three types of the groups, and every group has different type of the product. So you can create a new group within the particular of the group. So you can create it. For example, if you want to create the new group into the stationery, you can select the stationery and then create the new group. It will ask you to create the group with the parent group, so you can create nested of the grouping accordingly. And then we have a product. For example, if you create the new product, it will ask you the name of the product. For example, if I edit the product, it will ask the product and the name, the product code, the code, and a barcode. So barcode is basically generate barcode. If you can click it, so it will be create the barcode for this of the product, and this barcode will be used for this of the product. So you can create the multiple barcode, and then group name, and then the major, the product is active or not active. Use these options, right? And then we have a prices section. The price section, as we have discussed in the taxes area, we have a different type of the tax. So whatever the tax you want to apply it, or that you want to use it or remove it, so you can use the particular tax. And this is the cost. The product cost is 80. So whatever the cost you actually has bought this product, and you want to markup is the price percentage that you want to take as a commission. So you have used 8%. So the product price is 84.6. So this is a 8% markup. And then price included tax, it's mean this price is already included in the tax, so it will not add the tax values. So if you add the 8% of 80, for example, 80, this is the 8%, so 80.6, this is the price for the sale price. So this is the 8% of the markup. And this tax has been applied and the product all price including the tax. So this price already has include the taxes. So that's why if you do not then definitely it will be, add the particular values accordingly. So and then we have the comment section, we have image and other sections. So this is how you can edit the or create the product accordingly. So as many product as you want to create it. And then we have another other section, uh, and this is how you can create the product. And for example, if I create a new product, for example, test book 1, and then we have generate the barcode. The product is in the uh, register section, for example, register section. Okay, and then we have a price of, add text to the product, right? So you just click it, it will ask you the 6.5%, yes, say yes. And then we have, for example, 100 rupees, so markup is 10, so it will, the price is 110, right? So if you want to add the more taxes, then you can click the plus button, right? So it will not be ask you the project price is included, and then 110 is the price. And then we have to save it. So the new product has been added into the register section. So the price is 103. Okay, so 103, the price is 103, and then 100% and 10% and then 6.5%. Okay, so the unit price already been changed because the tax has been applied. uh, Let me show you again. Go to the product section, and then we have textbooks. So as you can see, the sale price is 103, right? The cost price is this, and then sale price is this, and then tax. So for example, if I create the and then go to the stock section first, and then we can check how the order has been processed for this product. Into the tax section, as you can see, stock section, we just added this product, and it is showing the blue. It's mean you do not have set the stock accordingly. So you just double click it, or you just right click and then create quick inventory. So it will ask you how many inventory you want to add it. For example, we have 50, and then enter. So you can see this is the cost, and this is, for example, if I click it and then refresh it, so it will showing that this product with the customer inventory count on this date it was created the 50, the quantity, and its stock it has the 50, the price is this, right? So it is showing the stock level, which is 50/50, right? The quantity 50 and stock is 50. Now we are going to make an order. For example, the customer, for example, if I add this product with for example, the quantity will be 5, and then the price is this, and you can see uh, uh, 550, the price is 110, and then 550 quantity, and then we have payment, and it will ask you the cash or whatever the price is. 550 is the price, and then save it, right? Save as PDF, and then done. uh, we have save it. Okay, so as you can see, the quantity is 5 and the unit price is 103, and then it's a 550 because the 6.5% tax is included. So it's mean the product will be sold in 110, but it shows the tax separately and then price separately, because we have just take the option which is, the price including the tax. So unit price automatically decreases because of the tax 6.55%. If you disabled this option, then definitely it will show 10 a 110 here, and then the price accordingly. So tax is showing differently, and then subtotal is showing differently with this value, and then total is 550. Again, 110 multiplied by 550, so you can see that the price is for 110. So this is how they actually calculating the invoice name and your business name and your details and your logo and everything is showing over there. And if you attach a thermal printer, definitely it will show you the particular invoices accordingly. So press to the done button, and then you can go to the section where you can be able to see sale history. So in the sale history, you just see that this is a sale was created, and it was 550 item was bought with the price of, with the tax of, with the quantity. So this is how you can check the sale accordingly. And then go to this for example uh, stock section, and you can see what are the stock right now. So you just click to the particular item and then refresh it. So you can see we have a 50 quantity, but we have made the sale, and the sale was -5. For example, customer was purchased 5, so it will be -5, then the stock is 45. So this is how you can be able to the stock has been automatically minus according to the purchases. And we have another option which is allow the negative quantities and stock, so you can do that. So this is how the stock is maintaining. Yeah, this is showing non-zero quantity, zero quantity, and these are the some parameter you can be able to see the stocks values and stocks detail accordingly. So these are options: the PDF format, Excel format, inventory and report count, inventory count report, and this is how you can do that. And in the document section, we have different type of products. We have a different type of the customers. This product is not this application is not supporting only the sale but purchases also. So you can do the purchases accordingly, and you can make the sale accordingly. So click to the add option. It will give you the account information, which is very very important. Either you want to purchase the product, or you want to stock return, or sale. You have sale option, you have a refund option, we have a pro forma option. Inventory section, we have an inventory section. So for example, if you want to add the inventory into the system, so you can use this type of account head. And loss section, you have for example, some other products has been lost according to any due to any reason, so you can use this kind of losses. So inventory, losses, sales, and sale, different types of the sale. Currently we have seen this, this is the sale from the dashboard area, and we have a refund, we have a performer, and expense section we have purchases and stock return. So this is the basic account type. So whatever the want to, for example, if you want to do the purchases, you can just click it purchase, and it will give you the purchase number, external number, the date, already paid or not, and then where from where you actually has purchased. So we already has set the two vendors, two customers. So you can create you can click onto the customer and supplier section, where you can be able to add the customers or supplier, whatever the supplier or customer where you want to purchases the product. So you can we also said that these are vendors. So these are vendors, and then we you just need to be click on particular product, and then it will give you, for example, this product, it will give you the detail about how many quantities you actually has purchased. For example, if I purchase 40, and then you can set the tax or before the tax, or price, and then add it. So this is showing the price, the quantity, the discounts, and total and subtotal and amount. So it is showing all the details, and whatever the product you want to add it, you can do that. And in the payment section, you can create the payment option, whatever the payment option you want to, cash it or credit card or whatever the, and how many purchases you actually has made for this particular type of purchases. So this is how you can, and then just save it. preview and save it accordingly. So this is how you actually has made the uh, uh, purchases into the system. So we just have saved down. So into the stock section, go to this section and then refresh it, so it will show you the purchases accordingly. So you actually have 45, and then you have actually has made 40. So 40 and 45, it's 85. So it is showing that so it is maintaining the stock accordingly. What either you want to sell it or purchase it or inventory count it, at any time you can be able to update the inventory. For example, if you do not make the purchases but you have a different items in your and you want to add it, so you can do that by stock editing item count. So currently 85, so you can, for example, 5 item or have, so you just need to enter the 90 value, so it will show you 90 accordingly. So this is the stock section. In the reporting section, and in the reporting section we have different type of the report, like the sales report, the purchases report. So you can click to the purchases, and then it will ask you the products, and then click it and then use the filter accordingly. So it will show you whatever the purchases you actually has made. The last one, which is, that it is showing to the date according, so it was showing that you actually has this purchase for 40. So you can use the different dates and type for the particular report. And in the sales, similarly, you can apply it to the filter. So you can see that this was the 5 actually has made. So in the report section, you can play around with the reports, the loss section, the purchases and sale. And we already have discussed the customer suppliers. As you can see, the vendor 1, vendor 2, whatever the you want to add it as a customer, so you can do that. Promotion we already has discussed with the promotion. And we again now again we are going to use some other option. For example, uh, textbooks 1, and these are 2 products. And you, if you want to add it, as you can see, uh, these are SKU showing, the other details are showing, and the textbooks. And you, through this of the option, you can be updated to the quantity, whatever the quantity you want to use it. And for the delete, if you want to delete it, you can use this option. Discount, discounts already been implemented in this system, so you can give to the discount particular item or the whole card. So just click to the discount, so it will ask you the discount for the card item or discount for the item. So this is a selected item, so if you want to give the discount for the 5%, so it will ask you the 5% or dollar. So you can just 5% and then enter, or either you want to give to the 5% to the whole card for both items, so you can do that for the whole card. So you just create 5%, 5% for the whole card, and then apply. So the 5% is already been, but it is not shown doing the discount over there, but 5% has been implemented. So and you can see the price is showing over there. So now we have made this payment, the cash 420, and then save as a PDF, and press to the done button. So you can see, if you have a thermal printer, then definitely you can see the details are over there. So you can see the 5% has been applied onto the discount, and it is showing onto the item wise. Maybe we actually has missed some, but it is showing the 5% discount for the particular the product. So 22 is the 5% discount, and it's showing the total and the detail. So the total is 420. So this is how you can, apply the discount. And now the last option, which is in the Aronium, which is, the barcode printing. So go to the section management, and then go to the product section. We have price tags over there. In the price tags, You can see once you have clicked it, so it will give you the layout option, the whatever the page size is this, what are the size, what are the width and height. Either you want to display the product name, or you do not want. So this is how you can set, and then preview, press the preview. So you can see the barcode is already being generated. You just print the accordingly, and these are the sizes are defined. So you just print it particular the paper, and then snap it onto the product. So you can play around with the barcode, and the barcode will definitely will show the price accordingly. So this is how you can do the barcode printing, and barcode generator is already been application is generating, so you can use this barcode for the particular. And import and export is again give you a CSV import, the price, the file name. Either you want to import into the system, so you can use the particular format, and then it will show the values accordingly. So you can import the lot of the products in one click. So the help is there, so you can click on if you have any questions, if you have any problem, if you are having an issue. So definitely you can be able to email us or contact us. And the last thing, which is everybody is asking about the theme. So we have another option, which is the setting option. So if you can click onto the setting option, so we have a different types of setting, like the English language, so you can use it whatever the language you have. And the color theme is light or dark, so you can use it light. Or layout, we are already using that layout, so you can use the visual. You can touch, if you have a touch screen, so you can use the visual, so it will give you a good look. And we have another other options, like the in the search, in the button bar, whatever the button you want to display it. In order of payment section, whatever the you want, the information you want to display it. Similarly, the product settings, the discount applied to the rule after the products, or whatever the rules you want to set up, you can set up accordingly. And email setting, the page scales, and the database backup, and the license, and about us. So it's a very good software. You can play around with this. Just save it with the white theme and visual interface, so you can see the white the white background with the particular, and then you can search accordingly the product. This is the product, so you can just click it and then add it, and then use the back arrow for particular. So this is how the products is being added. And you can search by barcode, you can search by number, you can search by product name. And then we have a cash drawer, refund option. Cash drawer is basically, once you click it, it will give you the uh, cash drawer machine will be enabled, and it will show you the cash accordingly. So this is how you can. And then you use the void order, lock order, repeat order. Lot of the features are available, so you just play around with this, and use it accordingly according to your need. So thank you guys. If you have any questions, any problems, any issues in using this software, do let us know in the description box. You can find the link and detail how you can download it and set up accordingly, and then play around with this. Thank you guys. Bye bye.